Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
First, install or update the Google app or Google Photos on your phone. Ensure your device runs Android 8 or later, or use the Google app on iOS. Grant camera and location permissions when prompted to enable real-time scanning and contextual results. Open Google Lens from the Google app, Google Assistant, or directly inside Google Photos. Typically, you can reach Lens in about 3 taps from the home screen or app interface. Google Lens offers 3 main modes: search, text, and translate for different tasks. In search mode, point at products, plants, or landmarks to get identification and shopping links. Switch to text mode, then tap and drag to select words to copy and paste into any app or an email. Use translate mode to overlay translations live by selecting source and target languages. Lens also scans QR codes and extracts phone numbers and addresses for quick actions. For offline translate use, download languages inside the Google Translate app so Lens can translate without data. Save identified images or results to Google Photos with a single tap for later reference and sharing. Share extracted text or product links directly to messaging apps or email from the Lens interface. To protect privacy, clear Lens activity in your Google account and revoke camera permission when not using Lens. Regularly review safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.